Good morning, everybody. How are you? I hope you're all okay. We're going to do a phonics session now, and it's exactly the same as we would normally do if you were in school, except today you're at home and I'm in school. But hopefully it will be exactly the same as what you already know. Right, remembering, my turn, your turn, magnet eyes, listening ears. Are you ready? Fabulous. Here's our sound. Urr. Urr. Urr, urr, urr. 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 Urr, urr, urr. Fabulous. Well done. Pictures. Are we ready? Rabbit. Rocket. Rainbow. Robot. Brilliant. Robot. Rabbit. Rocket. Rainbow. Super try. Keep watching. Let's draw. Let's draw. Can you see? Can you look? Can you see? So it's nice and easy so you can see there. Robot. Fabulous. Get your pencil, crocodile snaps. My turn. Robot. Robot. Fabulous. Let's take the picture away and let's see what sound we're left with to read and write. Super. Robot. 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 Let's move it back a bit so that you can see. Robot. 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 Same. Robot. Robot. Your turn. Are you ready to watch? Am I tricking you? I didn't trick you, you got that. Robot. Super, well done. Okay, I'm going to pop it in with some of the sounds that I know you already know. Okay? Let me make sure I haven't got too many sounds for us. Okay, there it is. Super speedy sounds. And I'm going to pop it in. And when you see it, I want you to give it a thumbs up. My turn. Are you ready? Your turn. Let's pop it in. Super speedy. Let's go. Ooh. Where is it? Well done. Let's pop it back in. Super speedy again. Are we ready? Fabulous. One more time. Let's see if we can spot it this time. Super speedy. Don't drag it, remember, short sounds. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, this time, now we're going to do some writing of our sound. So you'll need a pen and some paper. If you haven't got it, pause the video and go and get a pen and some paper. Have you got it? You need something to write with. Okay, so we're going to start off by writing our sound. And our sound is and when we write it, we say down the robot's back and up and over his arm. Down the robot's back and up and over his arm. Mine are quite big there, aren't they? I'll do a smaller one like you would do. Down the robot's back and up and over his arm. You say that as you write it. Down the robot's back and up and over his arm. Remember, crocodile snaps, pencil in, off you go. Down the robot's back, up and over his arm. Down the robot's back, up and over his arm. Down the robot's back, up and over his arm. This time as you write it, say the sound. Fabulous. Have you done it? Super. Okay. This time, put your pencil down. Stop and drop. Magnet eyes. This time, I would like you to write the sound. This is how we write it. Down the horse's back, up and over his hoof, to his hoof. Off you go. I'm watching. Say the sound if you can. Have you done it? Have you done your hair? Fabulous. Okay, the last sound, and I'm not going to write this on the board, I'm going to see that you've done it. The last sound I want you to write is eh. Eh. Let's see if you can have a go. Writing the sound as you're going along. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. Fabulous. Well done. Have you done it? Fantastic. Okay, we're going to have a go at writing a word now. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to hold up 3 fingers. 3 fingers. And I want you to hold the fingers so they're looking at you, like I'm doing there. 3 fingers. And we're going to have a go at pinching the sounds for the word leg. Leg. There's 3 sounds in leg. Let's pinch the sounds for leg. What can we hear? Egg. Egg. Write it. Write it. Keep saying the sounds as you write it. Egg. Write it. Egg. Egg. If you need a little bit longer, pause the video. Have you written it? Let's have a look and see what sounds we need for the word leg. Leg. Are we ready? Egg. Egg. Can you see how I've put them next to each other so that they make a word? Egg. Leg. Check yours. If you've got it right, fabulous. If not, don't worry. Change it so it looks like that. Pencils down. Let's have a go at doing one more word. 3 fingers looking at you. Okay? And the word I would like us to pinch the sounds for is the word red. Red. What sounds can you hear in red? Red. D. D. Write it. D. Keep saying the sounds as you write it. D. If you need a bit longer, pause the video. D. Have you done it? Are you ready to help me to pinch the sounds and write it? Are you ready? D. What's the next sound? D. D. Ed. Red. Have a look at it. If yours is right, like mine, well done. If not, don't worry. Just have a go at correcting yours so it looks like mine. And that's the word red. Fabulous. Well done. Okay. Let's move this up. Fred. Fred's going to give me sounds that you're going to put into a word. Are you ready? We're ready, Fred. Let's go. That's not a word. That's a silly word, Fred. You're being silly with me today. Silly, Fred. That's not a word, is it? Let's try. You're going to be sensible now, Fred. He's going to be sensible. Shall we try again, Fred? Okay, are we ready? Up, 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 top. Brilliant. Up, top. Fabulous. Let's try another word, Fred. Oh, this is a tricky one. Are we ready? Frog. 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 Gosh, that's a lot of sounds. Frog. 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 You said yourself then. Thank you, Fred. Brilliant. Let's have a go at making some words using our board here. Okay, so the first word we're going to make is the word got. 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 What sounds can I hear in got? G. O. T. Reading finger. G. O. T. Got. Your turn. Fabulous. Got. Let's try this one. We ready? Reading finger. Your turn. O. T. Hot. O. T. Hot. Hot. Well done. Let's try. Let's take these ones away. I'm not going to tell you what the word is. I want you to have a go. Reading finger. Are you ready? Did you get it? My turn. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Bed. I hope you're all out of bed this morning. Fabulous. Let's try one more. Are we ready? Are you ready? Reading finger. Are we ready? Did you get the word? Let me have a go. Let's see if I can get the word. Nip. Nip. Let's do it together. Nip. 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 Fantastic. Brilliant reading and brilliant writing this morning. Well done, everybody. Hopefully the rest of the day you can have a go at practicing the sound that we learnt. Okay, and have a go at reading. In your packs, you've got some letter sounds just like I have, and you can have a go at making some words to help you to read. Okay, have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.